Alright, what's up on the Cab Ride channel today? Today we are going to talk about a storm that is brewing in tomorrow. And a lot of people have been asking me what I will add to the bike. Well, simple. I added some stickers on the bike. I got one here, it says Aventon, and I got a sticker with the mountains on it, and plus, on the right side of this bike, I got a bike on here, and then on the very back, on the back fender, we got, that says Join the Movement, Aventon. Gotta wipe that off. Anyway, what other things we're gonna be adding is we're going to be adding a cup holder down here and a rack, a basket on the rear rack, and possibly we're going to add a phone holder on here, right over here, possibly. And today's a nice bright day out. Got 732 miles. Added a 20 miles yesterday. Anyway, so with that being said, bye y'all.